Social media, by definition, is social. Friends and followers, for the most part, know where you are and what you're up to, and that's the whole point.
That's right, but new software is now giving folks you wouldn't necessarily call friends a detailed map of your daily routine. Action News 5 investigator Anna Marie Hartman reports new at 10.
It's software that tracks your every move. From home to work to your favorite stores and restaurants.
There is all sorts of tracking in the online world.
And you could be making it very easy with a single post to social media.
Oh, it found me. Wow.
Kevin Dean uses his smartphone to check in to his job at the Mid-South Literacy Council and just about everywhere else he goes.
And it's become part of my routine. I don't even think about doing it. I just check in everywhere. I don't even know why I do it at this point.
Dean doesn't worry about his friends knowing his whereabouts. He's the one who checked in after all. But a free online software called Creepy gives him the creeps.
I don't think anybody's going to stalk me. I'm not that interesting, but there are people out there that could take advantage of this system and really hurt somebody.
Creepy compiles data from users who post on Twitter and Flickr. No check-in required, and anyone can follow. By simply inputting Dean's username, a geolocator mapped out where he'd been.
That's my old house right there. I don't even remember checking in there. I guess it automatically checked me in.
And when he was there.
That's when I went downtown yesterday.
It even tagged him while tweeting in a drive-thru.
I stopped at McDonald's for a Coke and started going that way.
Not only can Creepy pinpoint your tweets, geotagging provides the exact location where your Flickr pictures were taken. Well, it works.
It does work. That's scary.
Even with the high privacy settings on your Twitter account, unless you disable your phone's geotagging abilities, Creepy can follow you anywhere.
My account is locked, so you can see that even though my account is locked and you can't see anything about my tweets, but you can apparently see where I am. So that's kind of creepy.
On his website, the software's creator says the intention behind Creepy was not to help stalkers, it was to show how easy it is to aggregate geolocation and make you think twice the next time you opt in for geolocation features. And because this kind of data mining remains largely unregulated, it's critical you be mindful of every post.
The internet can make the world a playground for criminals.
Turning your social media experience into a social nightmare if a real creep starts tracking you. For the Action News 5 investigators, I'm Anna Marie Hartman.